If you're a machine learning enthusiast, you might have heard about the term TensorFlow. And very recently, TensorFlow in their conference gave a bunch of updates regarding their new platforms. And in this video, I'm going to cover the major updates from that conference so that you keep yourself updated. Coming up. Alright, let's get into the video. So we all know that machine learning is no more a buzzword, and almost every organization or individual has started working on machine learning applications. And one of the most famous library for machine learning is your TensorFlow, which is managed by Google and is open source. In just 3 years of their publishing, they have reached very new heights, and almost everyone is using TensorFlow to build high intelligent models and robots and many more. And in this conference, they have come up with some major updates, starting with the very first update that you'll notice if you'll visit TensorFlow website. They have changed the entire UI, and the best part is now the documentation of TensorFlow is much better than the previous one, and you'll find many built-in examples so that you can get started straight away. So that is the first update that you will notice if you visit the website. Now, the second one is that they have launched the TensorFlow 2.0 alpha version. Now, there are many more updates that it will come in this TensorFlow 2.0, but you can just go to the website. Now, there are many things to cover in this TensorFlow 2.0. I will not go much in depth, but just make sure that you now start working on TensorFlow 2.0. When you install TensorFlow in your system, you need to make sure that you install TensorFlow 2.0. The second one is your TensorFlow.js 1.0. The major thing that you will actually notice from this conference is that TensorFlow was first usually meant for the Python guys or the machine learning enthusiasts who want to work on some complex data and algorithms. But with this conference, you will notice that people coming from any background or from all spectrum can get into machine learning. As if with the update of TensorFlow.js 1.0, people coming from web development background can get into machine learning and now build AI-based applications, or more specifically an AI-based websites or nodes, just staying in their field. This other one is TensorFlow Lite. Now, the people who are trying to build Android apps or mobile apps, maybe in iOS or an Android, or if you're working on a project and if you want to run some of the complex TensorFlow machine learning modules over there, you can use TensorFlow Lite version to get started. And the next one is TensorFlow Extended. So TensorFlow Extended is an end-to-end functionality that runs from server to desktop to cloud to mobile to any of the edge devices. So you can actually get started with the TensorFlow basics, then move into TensorFlow Extended, and probably with your subject to interest, you can move into either TensorFlow JS or TensorFlow Lite. But make sure that this TensorFlow conference was a major update to extending the possibilities and the reach of TensorFlow to non-machine learning guys, and also get into the fields of their interest. Also, you will find that the TensorFlow has come out with much better APIs and code examples I just talked about. Now, there are many things to cover, as they have brought some changes in their models, some packages, some of their models and their libraries. I'll give the official link in the description so that you can go and have a look at it. They have covered many things, but just to get an idea in nutshell, that this TensorFlow 2.0 is going to change the way you write code, or the guy who's sitting next to you, whom you think is just a web developer, can now also get into the field of machine learning. That's all from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I upload videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. My name is Stephen Simon. See you in the next video.